his YouTube channel. Fancy meeting you here.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alia. Today I'm going to talk about a topic that is extremely relevant to students in digital era. How infographics influence student reading comprehension in academic contexts. We see infographic everyone on Instagram, TikTok, website, classroom, and even in academic presentation. But real question is, do they actually help us understand things better? Let's find out. In today's world, students no longer rely only on long traditional texts. Digital learning has changed everything. Information now comes in multimodal formats, meaning a mix of visual plus text and layout. And infographics are one of the strongest examples of this shift. They are colorful, short, and visually appealing. Many students prefer them because they feel easier to understand and less mentally exhausting. However, some people argue that infographics offer simply information, making students miss important details. So the purpose of my study is to explore both sides. My project focused on three main questions. 1. Do infographics improve reading comprehension compared to normal text? 2. What cognitive strengths and weakness do infographics have? And the last question is, does a student's learning style, such as being a visual learner, affects how well they understand information from infographic? These questions are important because they help teachers choose the right media for their students. Theories behind infographics. Infographics work because of dual coding theory and multimedia learning theory. In simple terms, these theories say the visual channel plus the verbal channel in our brain work together. When information is present with picture and text, we remember it better. Research supports this. Several studies in Indonesia and abroad found that infographics increase comprehension score. Students feel more motivated, information become more memorable, and visual learners benefit the most. But these benefits only happen when the infographic is clear, simple, and well designed. And for the last chapter is my personal experience. In my daily life, I am exposed to infographics very often, especially on Instagram, TikTok, and also create them using Canva. And honestly, when I compare reading infographics to reading long text, I feel more focused, I understand the main ideas faster, and I don't get bored easily. And the important one is I remember the visual longer. This personal experience supports the idea that infographics help students like me who struggle with long paragraph or lost focus quickly. Strength of infographic. Here are the main advantages I found in my analysis. One is faster comprehension. Students can grab key ideas quickly, which is helpful for exam or revision. Better engagement. Colors, icons, and layout keep attention better than plain text. The third one is improved memory. Visual help the brain store information longer. Fourth, less overwhelming. Infographics feel lighter and more approachable than long readings. This motivates students who normally avoid reading. Part 6. Limitations of infographics. However, infographics are not always perfect, so limitations include oversimplification. Complex topics like theories or deep arguments cannot be explained well in one visual page. Design matters. If the layout is messy or too crowded, students get confused. Superficial reading. Students may only skim and miss deeper meaning. Not suitable for long academic texts. For example, research paper, literature analysis, and theoretical framework still require detailed paragraph. In conclusion, so do infographic improve reading comprehension? I would say yes, especially for visual learner and for simple or medium complex information. But they should not replace traditional text for deep academic study. The best approach is to combine both, text for deep plus infographic for clarity and engagement. And as a student living in digital era, we must learn how read both text and visual information effectively. Infographics are powerful learning tools, but they must be used wisely. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content.